Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable screensaver mode into your Windows 11 in a very simple. What you can do, just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, here you'll find the option called system over here. So you can simply go down and search for screensaver over here into the lock screen. But I will going for this search option. I'm going to search for screensaver and you will get this option over here. So if you click on that, it will automatically redirect you to the screensaver settings. After that, you can come over into screensaver option and you can select any of your preferable screensaver mode. You can see there are lots of options called ribbons, photos, mystify, bubbles, blank. So most preferable one is bubbles. So it will looks like this. You can say there will be a preview. And now here you just need to set the timer. Maybe it's 1 minute after you will get these bubbles. You can simply maximize it, also minimize it by this. So yeah, this is how you can do this, and then simply click on apply, click OK. And now your screensaver mode is enabled into your Windows 11. So this is how you can enable screensaver mode into Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.